I'm going to talk to you about how to say thank you to someone. The reason why I want to talk about this is because this is something that I hear people say, my students say a lot, and I hear a lot of little mistakes. So I thought it would be a good opportunity to go over some of those mistakes and ways to avoid those mistakes. So here we go. So the first thing I hear a lot of people doing is they aren't really saying thank you directly to someone. They're saying thank you to like God, right? But they'll say thanks God instead of thank God. So whenever something happens to you and you're really happy about it and you are really thankful for it, you can just say thank God if you want to say God. Thank God rather than thanks God. We don't say thanks God like that. It's thank God like that. Thank. Now, if you want to thank a person directly, that's when we can say things like thank you or thanks, right? Thanks. That's when we add the S. Thanks is like short for saying thank you. But there's a lot more ways to say thank you and show you're grateful and to show appreciation. Let me show you them. So the first thing I want to say is you can say thank you for, and then say the thing that the person did for you. And of course, because the word for is a preposition, you always need to use a gerund after it. So if you're thankful for some action that someone did, like helping you, that you need to use the gerund form. So you helped me and I am thankful. Thank you for helping me. Or you gave me something and it really helped me. Thank you for giving me your pencil when I needed it. Or maybe you didn't understand something and someone explained it to you. You can say, thank you for explaining that thing to me. The point is, when you're saying thank you for whatever it is, if it's an action, an activity, you need a verb, right? If it's a verb, that verb needs to be in the gerund form. Gerund means verb plus ing. It's not acting like a verb. It's acting like a noun, but it looks like a verb. So that's one key, okay? You can shorten that and say thanks. Thanks for helping me. Thanks for explaining that to me. Thanks for giving me your pencil. Another option you have is, instead of saying thank you and using the words thank, you could use the word appreciate. But here's the problem. Sometimes my students will say, oh, great, yes, I appreciate. Thank you, I appreciate. And I know what they're saying, but they're saying it incorrectly. It's not I appreciate. You can say I appreciate it, or I appreciate that thing that you did for me. Or sometimes people will say appreciative, appreciate, appreciated, or appreciative, something like that, right? And what I think that they're trying to say is I appreciate it, but it sounds like they're just saying appreciated. And that's just not the way we say it. Maybe someday, but that's not the way we say it. So this is a separate word. I appreciate it. I appreciate that so much. Thank you. Or if you want to be really formal, you could say, I'm appreciative of everything you do. I'm appreciative of this that you're doing for me. I'm appreciative. This is the adjective form. It's totally fine to use, but if you use it, you should use the be verb here. I am appreciative. He is so appreciative all the time. Appreciate here, this is a verb. I appreciate you. I appreciate that thing you did for me. So you have to use them differently because they're different forms of the word. Another one you can say is much appreciated. This is really common. Well, I guess, yes, it's pretty common. It's short. It's like an expression. People will just say, thank you so much, or much appreciated, thank you, much appreciated. Okay, let's look at something else. So sometimes we don't want to say thank you. Sometimes we don't want to say appreciate, the word appreciate. We can say thank you in other ways with these types of expressions. You can say, wow, that really means a lot, or it means a lot to me. You can add, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Or, I can't thank you enough. That means it's not possible for me to say how thankful I am and how much I appreciate what you did. I can't thank you enough for everything you have done. Thank you so much. Or you can say, you don't know what this means. You don't know what this means to me. You don't know what this means. That means thank you so much. You have no idea how thankful I am. So these are some different ways to say it. And then finally, another thing you could say is, I'm so grateful. Thank you. I'm grateful. Grateful, to be grateful. Again, adjective, it describes how you feel. You use the be verb with it. It shows gratitude. It shows you appreciate something. Grateful is the adjective form of gratitude. And that is the thing we're talking about today, how to show gratitude. I hope this video was helpful. There's, of course, probably hundreds of other ways to say thank you. I'm just kind of giving you the ones that in my experience, hear a lot, but of course I don't speak for everyone, and there are so many different ways to express gratitude. How do you do it? Bye.